And okay, let's step back a moment and talk about, okay, the US Department of Labor back in 2000, way back in 2004 said there are 3 hot fields for the 21st century: nanotechnologies, biotechnologies, and geotechnologies. And today we're going to be firmly anchored in the next 3 hours with geotechnologies. Just kidding, we don't have 3 hours. I just want to make sure you were on your toes there. But geotechnologies, what are the geotechnologies? Okay, geographic information systems. In the past, when I would conduct PD for educators, it was, oh, Joseph, now I've got to install software and I have to have a decent lab and all those other tech barriers. That meant that, thinking of the Rogers diffusion of innovations curve, only the innovators and early adopters actually did it because there were some tech barriers involved. Now with the cloud-based environment that I talked about earlier, a lot more educators are able to use these tools. Remote sensing, looking at the world from space, it could be, or an aircraft, or a UAV, or a drone. That's part of the geotechnologies and global positioning systems, or more broadly, global navigation satellite systems. Now, why use geotechnology in society? Why is this actually being used? Well, it is being used outside of education by your city and county government, by nonprofits, by private companies, by academia, etc. It's to solve problems. That's why geotechnologies were invented, to solve problems about land use, energy, water, etc. Health. Speaking of which, you've all seen the JHU coronavirus dashboard. That's built on, it's built on the same technology. This is all ArcGIS Online. So you've all seen this. Anybody with a phone or a tablet or a laptop in the last year, sadly, has seen this dashboard. We could have a webinar on how to build a dashboard because this is all part of these tools that you've got at your fingertips. Wish I could get excited about this. Anyway, but secondly, though, it's all about building a more sustainable, healthier, happier world. That's really why geotechnologies are being used in society.